Hello guys, this is Mr. Yugioh here. I'm going to profile my windup deck. I went 3-1 at locals. I actually should have won, but I didn't draw any monsters game 3. That's alright though, I don't care. Like, it's only locals. Like, I'll show you guys this loop. Like, I don't know if a lot of people know it, but it's like my own loop, I guess. Because I play 2 butterflies in my extra deck. Alright, well here's the deck list. 3 shark. You got Alakazam, Kadabra, and Abra. 3 wind-up magicians. 2 tour guides. And a Sangan. 3 rat. Basically, 3 tour guides. Uh, 2 snowman eater. 3 wind-up rabbits. And 2 Thunder King Owls. Perfect. Beats everything. This is pretty much spells. I'm not really going to explain much of this. 3 MST. Heavy stone. And then the 3 wind-up factory. This is pretty much broken against the mirror match. But in my locals, I'm the only one that plays windups. So, anyways, good windups. Everyone else pretty much sucks. And for the traps, pretty much standard. Except for like the compulse. Compulse is good. And the rest is pretty much standard. 2-dimensional prison. 2 bottomless. 2 warning. 2 torrential. 2 mirror force. Broken. If it comes up to 3, I'm definitely gonna play 3. I don't care. And then the god. Solemn judgment. Okay, so the extra deck, I play 1s in Maya. It's pretty good. Like some people, like the guy that won, got second, he didn't play it, but the guy's stupid as shit. I don't know why he didn't play it. Tyrus, broken. Leviathan, Tempo, broken. Zen names, amazing. 2 Zen names, because they're too amazing. Webby, getting reprinted, I don't care. Zenmeister, amazing. 2 full-time Palette operatives. Like this card, I'll show you guys the LTK I made. I don't know. I don't know if a lot of people know about it. A Giga Brilliant, the carrier, a Degen, Shockmaster, and Utopia. Pretty much standard. Okay, for the combo, you need a wind-up magician and a shark, like almost every other combo. So, you start up, summon wind-up magician, summon shark, summon your Kadabra, make shark level 3, you summon your rat, you overlay, into Palette operatives, detach, you're on attack, detach, special, effect, overlay, into carrier, detach, get your wind-up magician, summon the last Alakazam, and you summon your rat. Overlay, and this is where your second pellet operative thing. This is where it goes ham. Make a level 3. And that's game. There's another combo. I'll probably make another video so I can show more of the combos of the deck and everything. Because it's pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah. Alright, thanks YouTube. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Mr. Yugioh, peace.